Zoom is a great app for online meetings, conferences, and webinars. For you to install Zoom on iPad, you will need to go to the App Store. Find it and tap on it. Here, on the search, write Zoom and search it. Now that you found the app, tap Get. It will ask you your password or your fingerprint. Complete the requirements. Now wait. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. You have installed Zoom on the iPad. The next step is to join a meeting or just sign up for a new account, or sign in into your old account on iPad. I will show you how to do this in a future video. You can check the description of the video for this. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.